Have you ever packed a suitcase and felt like it was heavier than your whole house? I've been around the world, from London to Tokyo, and today I'm sharing my top 10 travel tips. I hope this will make every trip smoother, safe, and way more fun. Let's go! Tip 1. Book your flights early. The earlier you book, the better deals you can find. Also, if you can be flexible with your dates, you'll save even more by trying to fly midweek. Tip 2. Pack light. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This way, they take up less space and don't get as wrinkly. Major secret for success. Using packing cubes to keep organized is useful too, and remember, only pack what you'll actually use. Tip 3. Pack your carry-on smart. Always keep your charger, snacks, medicine, and one change of clothes in your hand luggage, in case your checked bag gets lost. You'll still be ready to explore. Tip 4. Choose your hotel wisely. Look at the location first. Somewhere near the sites means less time traveling and more time having fun. And try to read the reviews before you book. A good night's sleep makes the whole trip better. Tip 5. Do your research first. Make a rough plan of what you want to see, but leave room for surprises. Check opening times and book the good tours ahead of time. Tip 6. Be smart with your money. Here's a big one. Avoid changing money at the airport. The rates are bad, so try and use a travel card or local ATM instead. Tip 7. Stay safe. Keep your passport, tickets, and important documents in a safe pouch and never leave your bag unattended. Not even for a second. Tip 8. Get travel insurance. It might sound boring, but it's your superhero shield if you get sick, lose your bag, or a flight gets canceled. Insurance saves the day. Tip 9. Download offline maps and translate apps before you fly in case of no internet. No problem. You can still find your way and talk to new friends in any language. This is extremely useful in a foreign country. Tip 10. Stay flexible and have fun. Plans can change, and that's okay. Some of my best adventures happened when things didn't go as planned. Travel is about making memories, not checking boxes. Go with the flow. Before the end, I have a couple of bonus tips for you. Firstly, take pictures of your passport and hotel just to have a soft copy just in case. Second, try and learn the word for hello in the local language. Making an effort to speak a few words will always put a smile on the locals. That's the 10 essential travel tips plus more, designed to make every trip amazing. Now go and start your own adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next journey. Also smash that like button if you're ready to explore, and I'll see you on the next adventure.